Today we will do question number 1 of exercise 6.1. Figure is given to us and see angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and this BOD is 40 degree. It is given. So we have to find out the reflex of COE. So to find out the reflex of COE, first of all we have to find out angle COE. And these two angles, sum of these two angles is given to us and we name it as 3. Right? So see 1 plus 2 plus 3. They make 180 degree. Reason, angles on a straight line. See, right? We know the sum of 1 plus 2, AOC and BOE, 1 plus 2. Their sum is 70. It is given to us. So in this way we can find out angle 3. So what is angle 3? It is 180 minus 70 and it will be 110. Angle 3 is 110. That means angle CO is 110. Okay. Now see. Angle 3 is 110. That means proper name of angle 3 is COE. So angle COE is 110 degree. But we have to find out reflex of this angle. So to find out the reflex of angle COE, we have to subtract 110 from 360 degree. It is 250 degree. So the reflex of COE is 250 degree. Reflex of angle COE. This we have to find out. Write your answer, highlight your answer like this. Okay. And then we have to find out the value of angle 2. That is angle BOE also. So see, it is very clear that 3 plus 2 plus 40 degree, they make a straight angle. See, 3 plus 2 plus 40 degree. So angle 3 plus 2 plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. Reason, angles on a straight line. Right. The value of angle 3 is, that is angle CO is 110 degree. Angle 2 is not known to us. So in this way we can find out the value of angle 2. See, 180 here and 110 plus 40, that is 150. Right? So shift the 150 over there. So angle 2 is 30 degree. And what is angle 2? Angle 2 is BOE. So angle BOE is equal to 30 degree. Is it clear? Today we will start question number 2 of exercise 6.1. See the figure. This is 90 degree and the ratio of A and B is given to us. It is 2:3. So let angle A be 2x and B be 3x. Right? So see, A, B and this 90 degree, they make straight angle. So we can write like this, A plus B plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angles on a straight line. A is 2x and B be replaced by 3x. So in this way we can find out the value of x. 2x plus, collect the like terms, shift over there, we have 180 minus 90, that is 90. So the value of x is 90 by 5. So the value of x is 18 degree. Now we can find out the value of A and B easily. x is 18, right? See, so a is 2x and b is 3x. So substitute the value of x here. A will be 36 degree and B is 54 degree. Right? We have to find out the value of C basically in this question. So see, B and C, they make linear pair. B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. The value of B is 54. So we replace B by 54. And then what is the value of C? 180 minus 54 degree. That is 126 degree. So the value of C is 126. Today we will do question number 5 of exercise 6.1. Figure is given to you. This is the given figure, 90 degree angle, and nothing is given to us. We have to prove that angle ROS, that means this one. It will be equal to half times angle QOS minus angle POS. Right? So, first of all, see, this is 90 degree, ROQ, ROP and ROQ. They make linear pair. ROQ is 90. So we replace it by 90 degree. So in this way, the value of ROP is 180 minus 90, that is 90. So angle ROP is 90 degree. ROP हमारे पास 90 degree आ चुका. Now see, we can write this angle ROS in two ways. Angle ROS is equal to, see, if we subtract POS from this right angle, if we subtract POS from this right angle, we get ROS, right? So subtract POS from ROP, and ROP is 90 degree. So 90 degree minus POS. And in another way, ROS can be written as, see, now I am rubbing this. ROS can also be written as this obtuse angle QOS minus 90 degree. Obtuse angle QOS minus this 90 degree, that is ROQ. So we can write ROS in these two ways. Name these equation as equation 1 and 2. Right. Now we add these two equations. When we add them, then what will we get? See, when we add these two equations, so ROS plus ROS, it becomes twice ROS, and here we write equation 1 plus equation 2 implies ROS plus ROS become twice ROS, and add these two, so write these two terms and these two collectively. So it is 90 degree minus POS plus angle QOS minus 90. See, LHS you have to add, it become twice ROS, and this expression plus this you have to write. In this way, we add these two equations. Now see, 90 minus 90, they cancel out. So we have twice ROS is equal to QOS minus POS. So we can write these two angles in bracket, right? And we have to shift 2. It is multiplying here, so when we shift this number here, it will be 1 by 2. So in this way, ROS is half times QOS minus POS. Today we will do question number 6 of exercise 6.3. In this figure is given to us. QT is the bisector of angle Q. So that means these two angles are equal to each other. Similarly, RT is the bisector of exterior angle R. So these two are angle equal. This is the bisector, these two are equal. We name them XX and here we name them YY. Right? And QTR, we name this angle as 1 and this as 2. So QTR means angle 1 is equal to half times angle 2. This you have to prove, right? So first we consider triangle PQR. Considering this triangle, we are applying exterior angle property. For this PQR, 2y is exterior, right? So 2y is equal to 2x plus angle 2 by exterior angle property. See, for this triangle, this is exterior. So it will be equal to sum of opposite interior angle. One interior angle is 2x and another is 2. Right? So we have this equation. Now consider triangle QTR. Consider triangle QTR. Right? For this QTR, we have this exterior angle only. So y is equal to x plus angle 1. Again by exterior angle property. This is right. Now substitute the value of y in this first equation. We have the value of y is x plus angle 1. Put here x plus angle 1 is equal to 2x plus angle 2. Right. Now open the bracket. We have 2x plus twice angle 1. 2x plus twice angle 1. And here 2x plus angle 2. 2x cancel out. So angle 1 is equal to, if we shift 2 over here, see here, twice angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This implies angle 1 is equal to 2, you have to shift here, 1 by 2 times angle 2.